How to log in into Nanny tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how to log in into Nanny tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari, and in the search bar search for Nanny tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it, and after searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Now scroll down and here you will see this website that says login to Nanny tax. Click on it. Now you need to enter your customer number and tap on next. And in case you have forgotten your customer number, tap on forget customer number option. And if you are an employee, click here to employee login option. So simply fill up your customer number and tap on next and follow the screen prompts. So that's all in this very simple and easy way you can log in into your Nanny tax account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.